Hello everyone, this video mainly teaches you how to make a combination remote control and red command. To start, click on our device library. Next, enter the added device into the system. Then enter the room. At this time, you can see that there are already 4 devices in the device library. Okay, at this time we click on any device, for example, the remote control of this Sony TV. At this time, you can see that it is very crowded on this side. Then we click on the More button and we can even see more buttons inside. All waiting for everyone to call in these libraries. What should we do now if we want to make a combination remote control? We can delete 2 first. For example, these 2. We put these 2 channels, add channel and subtract channel, into the More button first. Do not press delete at this moment. Delete this. This delete button is eliminated by pressing it. Completely deleted. So let's put it in More buttons first. Okay, there are 2 extra blank keys here at this time. Now I want to buy a Yamaha. I can shift the volume button of this Yamaha in the library to this remote control. At this moment, we can click the blank key in this location. Then choose this option to retrieve data from other devices. Currently, you can opt for Yamaha. Moreover, Yamaha houses several buttons for your convenience. Now let's find volume button, adjust as needed. Alright, we observe that there is an increase in volume in this area. Click OK and simply relocate it to this position. Next, we click the volume down button once again. Then we select OK from the options to confirm our selection. Okay, currently it's a combo remote control inside, combining most of Sony's buttons, while adjusting the volume using Yamaha's volume up and volume down. Became a combo remote control. This is one method to combine the remote control. If you want to combine the 3rd device, even some special buttons on the 4th device you can edit freely on this interface. It's all the same. If the editing is unsatisfactory, you can also visit additional pages. There is still ample space remaining here. There are many spaces and many blank keys. We have a maximum of 6 additional pages. You can use this to make any other remote control combination integration. By utilizing the up and down motions of our trackball, proceed to retrieve these devices for us. Retrieve this More page. Next, let's discuss how to create a red command. First and foremost, we remain unchanged. Remove 1 blank key first. We put it in More. At this time, here we have 1 more button. Empty key. This is us clicking it. Choose the first red command. At this time, we are performing this action. We have the option to click the button. At this moment, we have the ability to retrieve it on this alternative device. Button e.g., I want to activate 2 devices at the same time with this red command. Activate Sony TV and Yamaha together. We are now choosing to find his power in Yamaha. Discover his power, then click OK. At this moment, there is an extra command present here. This is another power of our Sony TV. Let us find a good one. Power button of Sony TV. We also added it. At this time, there are 2 steps inside. We can add a power button inside. Add a delay here. For example, I don't want him to send the code too quickly between my devices. To prevent the occurrence of code failure, I will include a 1-second delay at this point. Click OK. Then you can drag it to the middle of the 2 steps on the device. At this time, a 1-second delay was added in the middle of the 2 steps. If you don't add delay, there's a 0.5-second default delay between our 2 steps. What about adding this default delay of 0.5s, this one as delay? Our delay has become 1.5s. You can enter your command again here. For example, on. Good choice. Okay, did you see it? At this present moment, a blue button will appear. This blue button represents that it is a red command. It can contain a list of commands. You can go to the edit inside to see the steps of your red command. Then you have the option to add more commands yourself. Add additional commands as needed. Then add the appropriate delay. Then go ahead and do the debugging process until you are satisfied. This is a method that we use to combine remote control and red command functionalities.